aircraft carriers. Big beast in the war. Serves for the Navy today and is armed with various weapons and has a crew around 300. Oh, and by the way, welcome back to another episode of Ship Archives. Last time I did not make a long episode because I was not good to talk about that, but now I'm prepared. So, aircraft carrier. Very powerful vehicle, ship. It can contain various planes. Also, the new have rocket launchers and more advanced weapons. So yeah. Also, I yeah. So that's that. Now there's 300 crews, I think, in one of them. But yeah, it served in the Cold War, the World War, many other wars, and there's biggest still developed today. So yeah, that's that. Now let's jump to the ship. Let's go. They're just Titans. Sorry if the image is really blurry, but that's the best image I could find. So yeah, the aircraft carriers are just Titans. A ship big like this, with this amount of protection and crew, is a lot. But there are not much to talk about that a ship, because okay, so I talked about the guns. There are rocket launchers, flat guns sometimes, any machine guns. There's radar, command control, and tower elevators to move the planes up and down, and also launching pad for the planes, and then there's a hangar in the ship. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Shorter video. Leave a like if you enjoyed it. Leave a dislike if you did not enjoy it, and subscribe. And I see you in the next video. So please, yeah. So bye guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Let's go.